How to make a hug. Unforgettable. Most men think a hug is just arms around shoulders. They're wrong. A hug is an opportunity, not to make her addicted to you, but to the feeling she experiences in your arms. Tonight, you'll learn how to transform a simple embrace into a deeply sensual, emotionally rich memory, one that lingers in her mind and body long after it ends. This isn't about technique. It's about crafting a moment of profound connection, so attuned to her needs that no other hug can compare. Oh, and before we go further, I have something special for you. A free ebook, The Female Mind Control Handbook. It reveals subtle psychological techniques to spark deep attraction. Link in the description or pinned comment. Now, are you ready to become unforgettable? The Anticipation Architect. The magic of an unforgettable hug begins before any physical contact. It starts in the moment before, the space between you charged with unspoken possibility. Most men rush this. They lean in too soon, treating the hug like a formality. But you won't. You'll become a master of anticipation. As the moment approaches, slow everything down. Let your eyes meet hers and hold that gaze for a second longer than feels comfortable. Let her see your intention, not aggressive but deliberate. Step forward, but pause. Let the air between you hum with anticipation. Watch how she reacts. Her breath quickens, her pupils dilate, her posture shifts. She's responding, and you haven't even touched her yet. This is where the true connection begins. When you finally pull her into your arms, it won't feel casual. It'll feel inevitable, desired, necessary. Anticipation is the aphrodisiac of touch. Build it with care, and she'll melt into you before the hug even begins. The shelter embrace. When your arms wrap around her, you're not just hugging. You're creating a sanctuary, a place where she can drop every defense and just be. This isn't about dominance or strength. It's about protection, refuge. As you embrace her, don't rush the pressure. Let it build gradually. Let her feel you drawing her in, like coming home after a long, exhausting day. Pay attention to how she fits against you. Adapt to her body. If she's petite, cradle her. If she's tall, meet her where she is. Let your chest be a resting place for her head. Let her feel your heartbeat, a primal, grounding rhythm. But here's the real secret. It's not just about holding her body. It's about holding her energy. Be fully present. Don't think about what's next. Let her feel that, for this moment, she is your entire world. This is how you become unforgettable, not through force, but through presence and emotional safety. The whispered vulnerability inside your embrace. A rare space opens, one where true intimacy can emerge. This is the perfect moment to speak something soft, real, and personal. Not a cliché or a compliment, but a truth. Something simple like, "I've been waiting for this all night." Or, "You smell incredible." Speak low, near her ear, and let your breath do half the talking. This is not about seduction. It's about authenticity wrapped in confidence. Vulnerability delivered without desperation. Let silence settle first. Let her relax. Then, offer your truth. These whispered moments create a private universe, just the two of you. Long after you part, she'll remember not just the words, but the way they felt. The lingering departure. Most men ruin the moment with a clumsy exit. Pulling away too fast, cracking a joke, checking their phone. You won't. Let go slowly. Let your arms loosen reluctantly, as if every part of you resists the separation. Let your fingers be the last to leave her skin, trailing gently along her back, her arms. Hold her gaze as you pull back. Let her see that leaving her touch affects you too. Create a sense of beautiful interruption. Like there was more connection waiting. If only the moment had lasted longer. This subtle longing is what leaves her wanting more. The sensory imprint. Your goal isn't just to be remembered, it's to be felt. Long after the hug ends, engage all her senses. Your cologne, not too strong, but distinct. The texture of your shirt, the warmth of your body, the rhythm of your breathing, the sound of your voice, even your heartbeat. Here's what most men don't realize. When you're truly present, your body chemistry changes. Your scent, your energy, everything shifts. She feels that authenticity, even if she can't explain it. This is how you create a layered, sensory memory she'll crave. The phantom touch phenomenon. Here's the science. The human nervous system continues processing touch long after it ends. This is called phantom touch, a ghost of contact that lingers in the brain. You can create this on purpose. Use slow, varied pressure. Let your hands explore respectfully. Her back, her shoulders, the base of her neck. Never grope. Always honor her space. You're not claiming her. You're cherishing her. Done right, this mindful contact creates a cellular memory, a feeling that resurfaces when she least expects it. The truth about unforgettable embraces. At the heart of everything I've shared is something simple: presence, intention, vulnerability. Most women have been hugged by men who weren't really there, who held her body but not her soul. You have the power to be different, to be the man whose embrace becomes the gold standard, the one she unconsciously compares everyone else to. These tools, anticipation, safety, whispered truth, slow departure, sensory richness, they're not manipulation. They're awareness. They're connection. Hug with presence, embrace with purpose, and become unforgettable. If this spoke to you, subscribe for more insights into the psychology of intimacy and attraction. Share your experience below. I'd love to hear how these principles shift your connections. Remember, the goal isn't to impress, it's to connect, and to leave someone feeling better just for having been in your arms. Until next time, embrace with intention.